Hello students, these are the next two exercises from the chapter number 15 Halving. These are the exercise number 121 and 122. Let's start with exercise number 121 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Dear Mr. Wilson, I fear that it will not be possible for me to attend the discussion next Thursday night. I have just received word that I must make a trip out of town and I do not expect to return before Friday. However, if it is possible for me to attend, I shall certainly do so, for I wish to show my support of your plans. I am sending my check for £5, which is to be applied towards the building fund. You will understand the spirit in which it is sent, and my name need not be mentioned when you acknowledge the gift. Very truly yours. Next is exercise number 122 on the speed of 90 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Gentlemen, please inform us immediately when we may expect the lighting fixtures we ordered from you on 7th October for the apartment house we are now building. According to our understanding at that time, you were to deliver them towards the end of the month, but you have failed to do so. It is understood, of course, that the delay may not be intentional on your part, but we have received no word from you. Please do not hesitate to inform us if you are not able to make immediate delivery. We think you will not misunderstand our attitude when we say that if you cannot deliver them immediately, we shall have to get them elsewhere. Work is now being delayed and we simply cannot afford to wait. Very truly yours. So these are the next two exercises from the chapter number 15 Halving. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.